Speculation continues over Dr. Mukul Sangma's next move, as the senior Congress leader and leader of the opposition refused to divulge anything on his plan of action or his next move. Speaking to media person in Shillong today, Dr. Mukul Sangma said he will rather take up the matter within the four walls of the party, but he however said he will take up only with the High Command in Delhi.
In the present context, I have always kept my cards close to my chest. I have shared, you have to bear the burden of allowing me to maintain that whatever is matters required to be resolved within the four walls of the party will be resolved within the four walls of the party. The most important thing that I would like to share with you all is that we build political parties because in our given democracy, the political parties provide us the platform on which we stand. We stand firm to be able to bear the burden of serving people, serving state, to take the burden of responsibility of governance whenever vested with this privilege and responsibility. And that's why we need to ensure that any political party to which we belong to, we must ensure that that political party to which one belongs must be capable of giving you the firm ground to be able to stand and bear the burden of taking the responsibility, the weight, the burden that comes along with the responsibility of serving people and serving state. I have always maintained that politics is one of the toughest jobs, and therefore building political party to which one have the whole commitment and conviction, keeping in mind that that particular political party provides a platform. I think it is very crucial for our democracy to sustain democracy. If all the political parties are strong and vibrant, you will see how vibrant the democracy will be. The dates I saw, even the timing I saw, maybe evening on what 23rd. In fact, 22nd evening I was in Redison. I wanted to have haircut, but then the barber wasn't there. So yesterday I came to Shillong. I was reading the news, but I was intentionally. It was by choice that I wanted to remain inaccessible because I want to talk to leaders in Delhi whom I need to talk to. I don't want to talk to anybody else.